I've been here for almost 17 hours. I don't give a fuck. Get the fuck out of my drive-thru.
Fuck you, you little fucking bitch.
What'd you say, motherfucker?
I think I'll do my homework later.
Gee, Franklin, what did you do? Wake up on the wrong side of the floor this morning?
Shut the fuck up, you fucking...
Number 2, if you ever hug me, just expect a little bit of nibbling on your earlobes.
I'm a star forever, boy. No, that's not the enemy. Two cups full of purple shit, it put me straight to sleep.
It's funny because people think they have the right to bully.
What's in my what the fuck are you doing in my asshole? What are you doing back there, little man?
Oh gee, oh boy, this is about to be a good breakfast.
Hey, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
Right there.
Oh, who are you?
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, you
Got shot and he's doing just fine for right now.
I'm alright, y'all. They shot me, but I ain't dead, homie.
Ready?
Yeah,
Tell me when.
get it. Oh, fuck yeah.
Hey, don't cuss.
Ain't nobody balling like me, really. Swishy, nipply, nipply.
No. Cody.
I didn't do it, Justin did.
I don't like none of these niggas. I don't like nobody.
Is there anything you want to say? Now's a chance for you to say something.
I hope the Steelers win the Super Bowl.
Christian, what you doing, bro?
Look at this projector in the box. Put my dick in the box.
bro, I'm dead as fuck.
No! Ow! My ass got raped by a rock.
Time to go home, buddy.
He's so little.
Oh, he's so warm.
Oh my
It's okay.
Ow! Ow!
People are kind of starting to look now. Dude, and I'm kind of tweaking now. I'm not even trolling. I'm kind of tweaking now. This is America. Don't got you slipping now.
Bro, just,
Can you help me?
bro, it's not gonna flip.
It will.
Bro, just give it up. It's not gonna happen.
Fuck.
Yeah, it's just over
I'm
with.
so
Daddy's grumpy.
I got a boner. Went to the store, it was all quiet. Like, it was just peaceful. Next thing you know, boom, boom, boom. 2 shots go off.
Yeah, we were.
Oh my God! No way! Watermelon Red Bull! Whoa! Whoa!
I hope you choke on a motherfucking cheese stick, you nasty, greasy bitch. You look like you drink white Gatorade and smell like nickels. Fuck you.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Five Guys Closing. We are gonna do the grease. Whoopsies! Oh, it's hot! Oh, it's hot! Oh! Oh, Sky! Sky! Oh!
Niggas, man. Niggas.
Niggas be trifling.
Shit from me. Nigga, get the fuck out my shit!
fuck? Cat never had shit. I don't even want to make this fucking video no more. This nigga touched my fucking nugget.